Silently, they'll be tough for you there. They don't know to be scared. They find out a different way to believe what they want to become, what they want to be known for now. I feel like, why don't you cry? I feel like, why don't you cry for me? If you could see me now, I know you won't say, how do I want you? What is about to go? The one to leave is happening on the next weekday. I know you don't,